So we just bought a van.
So Ashley and I just bought this Ford Econoline van that it is currently an RV, but not the style we like. So we're gonna go ahead and rip everything out today and start renovating it to our liking.
Our original plan was to just replace everything that was in this van already, like not do any layout changes. But after we got it and did some thinking, did some research, looked at some inspiration photos, we decided that yes, we do want to change probably, most likely, everything in this van. So we'll see how it goes.
So one of the biggest selling points of this van was the fact that it has no door in the refrigerator so that we can have a nice foot cooler.
Nice.
So we're gonna start by removing these cabinet covers, like the doors, and then removing this bezel. It's pretty useless to us. So we're gonna take it out. Okay, so next thing we're gonna remove is the other side.
Oh, yeah.
It has
Little
more,
small one
yeah,
here.
the same thing but just smaller. So we just removed the TV and man, it's crazy how much extra space we have now. We kept hitting our heads on it.
Ouch, I just hit my head.
It was just really annoying, so I'm glad to see that gone.
Now I don't hit my head.
So right now we're gonna remove the microwave and get that out of the way. Oh man. Well, there goes that annoying microwave. Alright guys, it's time to get barbaric.
So before our camera died, we basically took everything out of this van. We'll try to at least. And this is how it looks now. Looks worse than before, but everything is out now. We took the white little plastic covering that was here, and that's how it looks like now.
Alright.
Now
ready for this to come out? Right now we're ready to pull
all of this
whole thing out.
That's where the bed used to be. And that's the bed now. It's been tough.
It's been
but
like
we got
2
it.
hours before we talked since we talked to you guys.
The camera died, so.
Yeah, so it's been a lot of work.
But we're still at it. What are you doing?
Just trying to remove this wall. Yeah.
I'm gonna try and get this out so we can have a more open concept. So Eric finally took that wall out. It looked pretty hard. We just took out the boxes that were holding the bed, and there's actually one there, but just gotta figure out how to take this out and take this out. But we're doing it. Eric's really dirty because he was sitting down underneath, or laying down underneath the van while I unbolted those.
In here.
We're definitely gonna get everything out today. First day. We've been working for about 5 hours now. It's looking good. I'm excited. So removing this toilet is...
The toilet's gone.
Oh yeah.
We're not using this. I'm too lazy to screw it off. So. Boom.
There you go. No more toilet.
Well, the stuff for the toilet is there. So the water tank, pump, main line. This was the shower line, and this is the toilet water line. And it goes all the way under there, over there to that line right there. See that one right there? And that is the sink water line. All this stuff is probably pretty cheap, and look at it, we can replace it. It's nasty inside.
Yeah.
This is where the poop goes.
We have finished for today. Day one has finally ended. It's a mess in here. We're gonna get it all cleaned up tomorrow. So yep, stripped everything down except for this. Probably work on that tomorrow. Stripped everything down to the bones. Now it's just one empty van. All right. How do you feel?
Oh, tired.
It was an amazing first day. I'm so glad that we finished almost everything in the van. Probably never worked this hard in my life. I'm just kidding.
Not really.
All right. We'll see you again for tomorrow.